If you're comparing SimpliSafe 2 and SimpliSafe 3, here's what matters most. Sensors. SimpliSafe 3 adds faster contact sensors and reduced false alarms. Motion detectors are more sensitive in Gen 3 and include pet immunity improvements. Monitoring. Both offer 24/7 monitoring, but Gen 3 supports quicker emergency dispatch. App features. SimpliSafe 3 brings revamped app controls, faster notifications, and richer video playback. Compatibility. Gen 3 keeps most SimpliSafe 2 accessories working, with some exceptions. Pricing. Base hardware costs are similar. Subscription tiers differ by cloud features. If you need better video and faster alerts, SimpliSafe 3 is worth it. Keep SimpliSafe 2 if your setup works and budget is tight. Upgrade recommendation. Prioritize Gen 3 for new builds or major security overhauls. Quick checklist. Sensors, monitoring speed, app features, and accessory compatibility. Decide based on needs. Test a single Gen 3 sensor before full migration.